In this video, I'm going to show how to use the Casio FX calculator series to quickly generate inverse normal distribution values. To begin, press Mode. You'll notice a down arrow on the screen, which means there are more options available. Press the down arrow to reveal them. Now press 3 for dist distribution, and then select 3 again for inverse normal. The calculator will first ask you for the area. Suppose we want to find the z-score corresponding to the left tail area of 0.9192 here. For the area, enter 0.9192 and press equals. Since we're looking for a standard normal z-score, our standard deviation sigma is 1. Press equals. Our mean mu is 0. Press equals again. And the corresponding z-score is approximately 1.40. Now let's find the z-score where the area to the right is 0.8023. Press equals or AC to return to the area input screen. Since the calculator requires the left area, we first calculate 1 minus 0.8023, which gives 0.1977. For the area, enter 0.1977 and press equals. Keep sigma as 1 equals and mu as 0 equals. And the z-score is approximately negative 0.85. Next, suppose the normal distribution is not standard, but with a mean of 20 and a standard deviation of 4. And we want to find x such that the area to the right of x is 12.71%. Or the probability of obtaining a score greater than x is 12.71%. We first find the left area, which is 0.8729. Press equals or AC to return to the area input screen. Enter 0.8729 for area and press equals. For sigma, enter 4. Press equals. For mu, enter 20. And press equals. The value of x is approximately 24.56. Finally, for this same normal distribution, let's find the lower and upper limits for the middle 95% of values. To find the area in the tails, we calculate 1 minus 0.95 divided by 2, which gives us 0.025 in each tail. Press equals to return to the area input screen. For the lower limit, enter 0.025 for area, equals, sigma is still 4, equals, mu is still 20, equals. The lower limit is 12.16. For the upper limit, press AC or equals to go back. The area to the left of the upper limit is 1 minus 0.025 or 0.975, equals, keep the standard deviation, equals, and keep the mean, equals. The upper limit is 27.84. And that's how you use the Casio FX calculator to solve inverse normal distribution problems. Thanks for watching.